Okay, here we go again, another session of Tech Unplugged Live at NetApp Inside Berlin. So I'm here with Nir Malik from We Ankor,
yeah,
right?
Correct.
So Nir, can you introduce yourself and give us a little bit of background about your company and your experience?
Sure, I'm Nir Malik from We Ankor in Israel. I'm Solution Architecture team leader. We Ankor is the largest and longest partner of NetApp in Israel. And we have been doing NetApp since the beginning in Israel, actually since before NetUp Israel came to be. And we're also a service provider using NetApp technology in our backend to provide infrastructure as a service and backup DR as a service to our clients in Israel. And we have a lot of customers doing some global business, and again, major NetApp business also for that field.
So I'm curious because we in Europe we have a lot of problems with data locality, with the cloud. So we tend to choose local providers, and I don't know in Israel. So what is happening with data locality, with all these things? How your customers are living this transition between on-premises infrastructure, hybrid infrastructures? So what do you see in the field?
Yeah, actually we do see all verticals, from the clients that are born in the cloud and they don't mess around with anything on-prem, and you have to have a discussion about the exit strategy. What will happen when you want to come back or move to another cloud service provider? And some clients are still not doing anything in the cloud. They don't know how to, or they're afraid to do it. And we have the entire length of the entire stack, and we're engaged in the discussion with them about what to do, how to do it better. And I don't know if you know this, but Israel and Germany are actually part of a new service of NetApp called the hybrid transition readiness service, which you can go and discuss with the client, not only at the tactical level, this is the tool to do it, but also on the strategic level, this is the part of data you should be running on cloud, or you're able to run on cloud. These are the legal implementations of doing it in Israel, outside of Israel, in the US, in Europe, and these are the financial benefits and deficits of doing it. And you should look at this model or this model of procurement and CapEx and OpEx. Not all of our clients know how to do the transition from OpEx to CapEx, CapEx to OpEx, both of them at the same time. And we also need to discuss these matters with them, and NetApp can help us with that also on the C level.
So you are saying that NetApp is helping you with your job, not just with the products, but actually with a set of solutions, and also supporting you in this journey.
Definitely, the journey, I love the word journey, because it is a journey into the cloud and out of the cloud and between the clouds, and it always develops. And certainly the data fabric with the console services is enabling our clients to do it effectively, and to do it on all of the levels of discussion they're interested in, instead of just going there and talking about a certain tool doing a certain job. And I think that's the best differentiator for NetApp today, because some competitors are doing flash, some competitors are doing hybrid, some are doing object storage.
Right.
But one competitor that can give the entire portfolio into the cloud, out of the cloud, near the cloud, and talk about the strategy of should you and how would you do it, I don't think there's any competitor that can do the entire portfolio like that as NetApp. And certainly it helps me and my team do business and bring value to our clients, instead of just, what is a blinking light with a cable, open it and do something with it. So
more than hardware or software.
Yeah.
That's good. So where we can find more about you and about your company? Do you have a website or a Twitter account?
I'm on Twitter, Malik Nir. I have a blog, maliknir.com, and of course there's the company's website, We Ankor, COIL, and all of our data is there.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Had fun.